Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will review the iPhone SE2 on the iOS 14.3. Let's get right into this video. So iOS 14.3 is out of our public and you can download it on your device if you haven't already, and the iPhone SE2 is already a really fast beast. But in today's video we will be doing a review of this device, how it is performing on this firmware, and should you update your SE2 on this firmware or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. So normal usage, talking about the normal usage that I have been using my device, it has been really awesome experience. There are no stutters. Of course, this device is one of the fastest device out right now. It is like even more faster than iPhone 11 because iPhone, it is the same processor, and iPhone 11 has bigger screen and iPhone 11 have to push more pixel, whereas this one have to push less pixel. Hence this is much more faster than those devices. I mean, there is a bit difference. This is a bit faster. I won't say it is much faster, but on this firmware this is just awesome. I have been using this device for a lot of time right now. I mean, it's been few hours, and I will be doing a follow-up video, so you can subscribe and turn on notification if you haven't already, because I do these type of things almost daily and I don't want you guys to miss that. Let me clarify the only bug that I noticed. The bug was while I was scrolling through Twitter, there was a lag, and suddenly the Twitter app just crashed on me, and it is just because it is crashing on almost all of the devices. It is happening just because Twitter has not rolled out the update to support this firmware, and this will be out really soon. So this bug will be also fixed in like probably tomorrow. By the time this video is uploaded, day after tomorrow, this bug will be fixed. Now let's talk about the scorecard. In terms of performance, I would give it a 9 out of 10. In terms of stability, I would give it a 9.5 out of 10. In terms of the normal usage, checking some mails, I was just checking some mails, doing some moderate usage, and this is just overall in terms of performance. Battery life, I would give it a 8.7 out of 10 because there were some battery issues, as this device is not as you all know, this is a small device, and hence the battery is also small, so I'm not getting a good battery screen time, because of course you all know iOS 14.2 just smashed iPhone SE, and the performance is good, but the battery life has been really bad since the iOS 14.2 update, and I hope they will fix it as soon as possible. And most probably the iOS 14.4, whatever the next beta profile will be called. I mean, if Apple will release iOS 14.3.1, we never know. It's 2020 at the end of the day, and I'll let you guys know what's going on in the iOS world, so you can turn on notification so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode. And yep, thanks for supporting, and be sure to like this video if it was helpful for you all.